Furniture and decor play essential roles in our lives, influencing not only the functionality of our spaces, but also our emotional well-being and social interactions. The way we furnish and decorate our homes reflects our personal tastes, lifestyle choices, and cultural backgrounds. It can create a sense of comfort, foster creativity, and even enhance productivity. Within this context, wood has emerged as a favored material in furniture and decor, making due to its unique qualities, versatility, and aesthetic appeal. At a fundamental level, furniture serves practical purposes. It provides the necessary support for various activities, from sitting and sleeping to storing belongings. A well-designed piece of furniture can significantly enhance comfort and efficiency, allowing individuals to perform daily tasks more easily. For instance, a comfortable chair can promote better posture while working, and a sturdy table can serve as a functional space for meals, crafts, or conversations. Beyond mere functionality, furniture can also delineate spaces within a home, helping to create distinct areas for different activities, such as relaxation, work, or socializing. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The importance of decor, on the other hand, lies in its ability to transform a space aesthetically. Decor items, such as art, textiles, and accessories, can dramatically alter the ambience of a room. They play a crucial role in expressing personal style and creating an environment that feels welcoming and reflective of one's identity. Decor can evoke emotions and set the mood, whether it's through the calming effect of soft colors or the energetic vibe of bold patterns. By carefully selecting decor items, individuals can curate spaces that resonate with their values and aspirations. Incorporating wood into furniture and decor adds a layer of richness and warmth that is hard to replicate with other materials. Wood has a unique texture and grain that can enhance the visual appeal of any space. Each piece of wood carries its own story, with variations in color, grain pattern, and finish. This individuality allows wood pieces to stand out as unique items rather than mere commodities. The natural beauty of wood can create a sense of connection to nature, fostering a calming and grounding atmosphere in a home. The tactile quality of wood also contributes to its appeal in furniture and decor making. The warmth of a wooden surface invites touch, promoting a sense of comfort and familiarity. This sensory experience can enhance the emotional connection individuals have with their furniture and decor. In a world increasingly dominated by synthetic materials, the organic nature of wood serves as a reminder of the natural world, helping to create spaces that feel alive and inviting. In addition to its aesthetic and tactile properties, wood is an incredibly versatile material. It can be shaped, carved, stained, or painted to suit various design styles, from rustic to modern. This adaptability makes wood suitable for a wide range of furniture and decor applications. Whether it's sleek lines in contemporary designs or intricate carvings in traditional pieces, wood can accommodate diverse tastes and preferences. This versatility allows homeowners to create cohesive design schemes that reflect their unique personalities. Moreover, the durability of wood contributes to the longevity of furniture and decor items. High-quality wood can withstand the test of time, making it a smart investment for both functional and decorative purposes. Unlike some synthetic materials that may wear out or become damaged more easily, well-crafted wooden items can last for generations. This durability not only provides value for money, but also fosters a sense of sustainability, as longer-lasting products reduce the need for frequent replacements and contribute less to landfill waste. The role of wood in furniture and decor extends beyond aesthetics and functionality. It also carries cultural significance. Different cultures have used wood in unique ways to express their identities and traditions. For instance, certain types of wood may hold spiritual meaning or be associated with specific crafting techniques passed down through generations. By incorporating wooden elements into their homes, individuals can connect with their heritage, celebrate cultural practices, and honor the craftsmanship of those who came before them. The emotional impact of furniture and decor should not be underestimated. Well-furnished and thoughtfully decorated spaces can significantly influence mood and well-being. A cozy living room with wooden accents can evoke feelings of warmth and safety, while a cluttered or poorly designed space may lead to stress and discomfort. By choosing furniture and decor that resonates with their personal style and values, individuals can create environments that enhance their quality of life. Wood, with its innate beauty and warmth, plays a key role in achieving this emotional connection. In a world where many people are increasingly conscious of their environmental impact, sustainable wood sourcing has become a vital consideration in furniture and decor making. When sourced responsibly, wood can be a renewable resource that contributes to sustainable practices. Many manufacturers and artisans prioritize eco-friendly approaches by using reclaimed or responsibly harvested wood, promoting environmental stewardship while creating beautiful products. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who seek to make mindful choices in their purchasing decisions. Furthermore, the act of selecting and arranging furniture and decor can be a deeply personal and creative process. Many people find joy in curating their spaces, experimenting with different styles, and expressing their creativity through design. The process of choosing wood pieces, whether it's a handcrafted table or a decorative wooden sculpture, allows individuals to engage with their environments actively. This involvement fosters a sense of ownership and pride in one's space, leading to a more profound appreciation for the home. The social aspect of furniture and decor also plays a crucial role in their importance. Well-designed spaces can facilitate social interactions and gatherings, promoting connections among family and friends. A beautifully arranged living room with inviting wooden furniture can encourage conversations and shared experiences. In this way, furniture and decor serve not only as functional items, but also as catalysts for relationships, helping to create lasting memories and bonds. As people increasingly embrace remote work and flexible living arrangements, the role of furniture and decor has evolved to accommodate new lifestyles. Home offices, multifunctional spaces, and cozy reading nooks have become essential components of modern living. Wooden furniture and decor can enhance these spaces, providing both practicality and aesthetic appeal. The versatility of wood allows it to adapt to various functions, whether as a desk, shelving unit, or decorative accent, making it an invaluable resource in contemporary home design. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture and wood decor pieces ideas to revamp your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.